most cars are built, the Zeekr 8X is engineered into a masterpiece of electric intelligence. Behind these doors lies the world's most advanced automated assembly line. Watch the full breakdown and subscribe now as we reveal every secret of the Zeekr 8X factory.
This is the front line of human health. Stay tuned and subscribe for the full breakdown.
The birth of the Zeekr 8X begins with massive coils of high-grade industrial alloy.
Precision unrolling ensures the base material is perfectly flat for the intricate journey ahead.
Watch the full breakdown and subscribe now to see how this electric masterpiece is built. The laser cuts with blinding precision, carving out door frame safe hydraulic outpress.
Enormous force shapes the metal, giving the vehicle its signature aerodynamic silhouette. The individual pieces are now ready to be unified into a single high-strength safety cage. Autonomous logistics ensure a seamless transition of components through the massive facility. Elevated transport systems maximize floor space, keeping the production flow constant and unobstructed. Every part is tracked digitally as it travels across the sprawling manufacturing complex. In the assembly bay, parts are locked into a perfect geometric alignment for the final weld. The stage is set for the most critical phase of the Zeekr 8X's structural assembly. This megafactory is the pinnacle of intelligent manufacturing, where technology meets craftsmanship. Security and precision start at the gate, ensuring only the highest standards enter the floor. Every specialist is prepared to maintain the absolute purity of the assembly environment. A dust-free environment is critical for the delicate electronics and high-gloss finishes of the 8X. With the team in place, the zero-emission production cycle begins its high-speed rhythm. Before the first layer of protection is applied, the metal must be free of every microscopic impurity. High-velocity air knives ensure the surface is bone dry, preventing any future risk of oxidation. Every millimeter is scrutinized by AI-driven sensors to detect flaws invisible to the human eye. Human expertise and machine precision work in tandem to guarantee a perfect foundation. Once sorted, the Zeekr 8X is channeled into its specific production path for the next stage of transformation. The E-coat process provides a molecular shield, ensuring the Zeekr's chassis remains rust-proof for life. Baking at high temperatures seals the primer, creating a rock-hard foundation for the final paint. Precision-calibrated robots apply the base coat with micron-level consistency for a flawless finish. Every layer is measured and verified by hand to meet Zeekr's uncompromising aesthetic standards. With the clear coat cured, the 8X moves to the main hall to be united with its electric heart. This is the moment of marriage, where the aerodynamic shell meets the high-performance electric drivetrain. Automated torque systems ensure every connection is tightened to exact aerospace specifications. The interior begins to take shape as the pre-wired cockpit is integrated into the cabin.
Complex neural networks of wiring are hand-checked to ensure every sensor and screen communicates flawlessly.
With the glass sealed, the Zeekr 8X is now an enclosed, weatherproof environment. At the core of the 8X is a high-performance battery pack, integrated as a structural element of the chassis. High-speed automation ensures that safety-critical systems like brakes are installed with zero margin for error. Vacuum filling technology eliminates air bubbles, ensuring the thermal systems operate at peak efficiency. The vehicle's digital brain is awakened, running a 1,000-point diagnostic in a matter of seconds. In this tunnel of light, AI vision systems verify that every panel is aligned to the millimeter. For the first time in the process, the Zeekr 8X stands on its own wheels, ready for the pavement. Laser-guided alignment ensures perfect handling and maximizes tire longevity before the car leaves the floor. The final branding is applied with surgical precision, marking the completion of the exterior build. Ergonomic luxury is integrated as the cabin is outfitted with high-tech seating and premium finishes. Every seal is tested against the elements, ensuring the cabin remains a sanctuary in any weather. Power delivery and regenerative braking systems are pushed to their limits on the virtual road. In the pursuit of silence, we eliminate every unwanted vibration for a premium driving experience. Advanced 3D mapping verifies that the 8X's aerodynamic profile matches the original design to the micron. Software and hardware must act as one, providing the driver with an intuitive and responsive interface.
System is ready, awaiting your command.
One final physical gauntlet ensures the suspension is ready for the world's most challenging roads. A final high-gloss polish ensures that the Zeekr 8X leaves the factory with a mirror-like showroom finish. Protective layers are applied to safeguard the craftsmanship during its journey to the customer.
All right, initiating drive into the ASRS. Copy. Elevator is clear for pickup.
In this massive logistics hub, vehicles are organized and staged for global distribution. And this is how modern factories produce the Zeekr 8X from start to finish. Watch the full breakdown and subscribe now.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.